I know. In the last video, I promised you we would talk about the liver. And that is coming, trust me. But something happened this week with a patient that I absolutely had to share with you first. It's about the silent killer lurking in your chest. Did you know that you can have normal cholesterol levels and still drop dead from a heart attack? It happens every single day. Why? Because for decades, we have been looking at the wrong thing. We have been obsessed with the plumbing, but ignoring what is actually flowing through the pipes. Today, I am handing you the recipe for a powerful, natural drink. I call it liquid exercise. It scrubs your arteries clean, lowers your blood pressure, and floods your body with the most important molecule for heart health. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Kevin. If you are over 40 and feeling sluggish, short of breath, or worried about your blood pressure numbers, this video is arguably the most important one you will watch this year. First, let's bust a massive myth. Cholesterol is not the villain. I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. Your body actually needs cholesterol to make hormones, to build brain cells, and, crucially, to heal wounds. Imagine your artery is like a smooth garden hose. If the inside of that hose gets cracked and damaged from high sugar, insulin spikes, stress, or smoking, your body rushes to fix it. It uses cholesterol like spackle or glue to patch the crack. The plaque you see on a scan? That is just the bandage. So trying to lower cholesterol without fixing the crack in the hose is like blaming the firefighter for the fire. He didn't start the fire, he is just there to put it out. To prevent the heart attack, we need to fix the inner lining of the artery, known as the endothelium. We need to make it smooth again so the body stops sending cholesterol to patch it up. How do we do that? With a magical gas called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the Teflon coating for your arteries. It makes them slippery, smooth, and relaxed. When you have enough of it, nothing sticks. No plaque, no blockage, no clots. It dilates the vessels and drops your blood pressure naturally. But here is the bad news. After age 40, your body's ability to produce nitric oxide drops by over 50%. This is the primary reason why blood pressure creeps up as you get older. Your hoses are getting stiff and dry. So how do we boost it naturally without medication? Nature has given us a specific combination of ingredients that act like a key to unlock your arteries. Ingredient number 1, raw cacao powder. And please, I don't mean the sugary chocolate milk powder you drank as a kid. I mean organic, unsweetened, raw cacao. Cacao is loaded with flavonols. These are potent compounds that signal your arteries to open up. Studies show that cacao can even stimulate stem cells that actually repair the lining of your arteries. It effectively mimics the physiological effect of exercise on your blood vessels. Ingredient number 2, beetroot. Beets are rich in natural nitrates. When you consume them, your body converts these nitrates directly into nitric oxide. It is like a turbo boost for your blood flow. Now, before I give you the recipe, there is a third secret weapon you should consider adding if you have calcified arteries. That is vitamin K2. Why? Because calcium belongs in your bones, not your arteries. Vitamin K2 is the traffic cop that directs calcium out of your arteries and into your bones. While you can't easily drink K2 in this mix, taking it alongside this protocol is a game changer. So, let's make the Artery Scrubber. Here is the exact recipe. Drink this once a day, preferably in the morning. You need 1 cup of warm water. Warm is better for digestion. You can use almond milk if you want it creamy. 1 heaping teaspoon of organic raw cacao powder. 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. If you don't have the powder, half a cup of fresh beet juice works too. Optionally, add a pinch of sea salt for minerals and a little stevia if you need sweetness. Avoid sugar or honey at all costs, as sugar causes the inflammation we are trying to stop. Here's a pro tip. When you drink this, don't just gulp it down. Swish it around in your mouth for a few seconds. The conversion of nitrates to nitric oxide actually starts with the bacteria in your saliva. But wait, there is one critical warning. If you do this wrong, you will waste your time and money. Do not drink this with your morning coffee or right after it. Why? Because the caffeine and tannins in coffee can block the absorption of the nutrients in cacao and beets. It stops the magic from happening. Please leave at least a 90-minute gap between your coffee and your artery scrubber drink. Treat it like a prescription. Give this a try for just 2 weeks. You will feel the difference in your energy, your mental clarity, and when you check your blood pressure cuff, you might be pleasantly surprised. Next, we clean the filter, your liver. That is coming up. Don't wait for a warning. Mix your drink, protect your heart, and thrive. See you soon.